How to fix Discord disabled account. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what's next is to search for Discord, and when you found it, just open it like this, and now go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.